Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be taking a look and unboxing the Chiron solar powered spotlight. Let's get going. It's very important to notice straight away that these are two different lights. This Chiron spotlight does a white glow and a warm white glow, and this Chiron spotlight does 7 colour rotations. So the different colours are red, blue, cyan, green, warm white, white and pink. Now in the box we have the stake unassembled, you have the light with the integrated solar panel, and then as always there's some screws and the instructions. Assembling the light is very simple. It's a matter of popping the stake into the light itself, and then there's 3 screws. Depending on where you want your solar panel, it allows you to move and tighten this bolt here. The way that this light turns on is very simple. It's a matter of just pressing the on button at the back and pressing the mode button for power saving mode. This light, like all of our solar products, has a dusk sensor, which means that it's only going to turn on once the sun's gone down and your light is needed. During the day, the solar panel is just going to charge in the sunlight. The Chiron light is 50 lumens. If you opt to buy the colour changing one, the colours change on rotation. There is no way to set them. And if you go for the white and warm white, it's a matter of just pressing the button. This light can light up to 25 meters and is incredible for lighting up trees, garden displays, water fountains, anything you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding this product, please just make sure to drop us a comment and we will get back to you with the answer. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.